And hurricane warnings remain in effect across much of Hawaii today as Lala lashes the Big Island with heavy rains, strong winds, and dangerous surf.
Here's a live look at conditions right now in Honolulu, where they are getting ready for a little bit of rain, or they're getting a little bit of rain right now. It's the Big Island that will take the brunt of this storm. ABC's Melissa Adan shows us how residents there are preparing as conditions continue to deteriorate.
Lala pounding Hawaii with heavy rains, damaging winds and high surf, bringing the possibility of life-threatening mud and landslides throughout some of the Big Island's steep terrain. People filling up sandbags and purchasing plywood to protect their homes and stocking up on essentials to weather the storm.
I lived here pretty much all my life, and first time this ever happened, need to be prepared. And you never know what's going to happen.
Satellite imagery from early Saturday morning showing the storm closing in on the Hawaiian Islands. Forecasters issuing a hurricane warning for Hawaii County, the Big Island.
Now is the time to prepare before conditions get worse. We can't predict or control the storm necessarily, but we can prepare for it.
Governor Josh Green signing an emergency proclamation allowing the state to quickly access disaster funds and warning everyone to avoid unnecessary travel.
It's going to be a ton of rain, as much as 20 inches of rain in some parts of the Big Island, which means that there's going to be flooding. And we have to be very, very careful about that. About 180 Hawaii National Guard members have been activated to support rescue operations. High water vehicles are also being made available in each county. If Lala makes landfall as a hurricane, it would be the first time on record for the Big Island of Hawaii. Here on the Big Island, we are feeling the brunt of Lala, but the impacts are expected to be felt throughout all of the Hawaiian Islands throughout this weekend. Melissa Adan, ABC News, Hilo, Hawaii.
Melissa, thank you. Let's bring in Nico Gazori. We are not really used to seeing a whole lot of hurricanes in the Pacific Ocean, but El Nino is going to kind of change things up this year.
Absolutely. Things are really changing. We're expecting a super El Nino this year. Oof. So, yeah, not even surprised that we're just 2 months into hurricane season, and we're already dealing with a pretty strong storm around the Big Island. So looking at the track right now, it looks like they're getting a good chunk of that rain at this hour, and this is just the start. We're looking at wind speeds there around 75 miles per hour, which is right around that threshold to become a Category 1 hurricane. So it is a Category 1, and as soon as it makes landfall, which it looks like it is right now, it begins to weaken. But as it continues to move to the southwest, it's going to weaken. There is a chance that it might strengthen again as it continues to move southwest through the other islands. So it's not going to be making landfall at the other islands. It's the outer band. So if you look closely, we can kind of see the middle, and that's the eye, but it's the outer bands that are really just brushing all of the Hawaiian Islands, bringing a lot of rain with it, 20 to 25 inches. Here's a look at what it looks like on Live Mega Doppler 7000. You can see it's just light to moderate rain, and in that orange that you see, that's some pretty heavy rain. So we do have a few bands of that heavier rain that will be moving through the Big Island, and this is going to be the case at least for the next couple of days as it continues to move further southwest. The track is showing that it's going to move further southwest and make its way further southwest into the Pacific Ocean. So it's definitely something that we're keeping our eyes on.